Hey guys, it's Final Arms Sons Midwest. So I'm gonna have to make this video kind of quick, so I have because I have to get to work soon. So in this video, this is my new fire alarm setup. This system is gonna be temporary. I have brought back the panel from the dead because I put a power supply in it, as you can tell. The cord. So the pole station, nothing much. We got the 2099-9901. I think that's what the model is. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the so we're going to show you the power supply first. So this is the power supply. It is a 24 volt and 15 amp power supply. So I can definitely use a lot of devices on this. I think up to 12, I think, but I don't need that many. So I took off my 3D printer for now, but don't worry, I can still use this. I just need to connect wires back up. Right here, these two black and white wires, or black and red. So we're going to silence the panel because I don't feel like having this going off at the moment, but so it's silent. The horn will be silent, which just sets the chime, but the strobe will continue to flash because this panel is compatible for 2 and 4 wire horn strobes, so it can do audible silence. Okay, but only do audible silence if you have the strobe hooked up. The strobe circuit hooked up. So you're not gonna be able to see the fire alarm video until the 10th or 11th, because one, I'm gonna be out of town, and two, I don't get my paycheck until then, because when I do get my paycheck, I'm gonna have to get a smoke detector, because unfortunately my 2400 died. It blew because it was malfunctioning, and it just blew, so it's useless now. I am not selling this, just letting you know. I'm just gonna be using it for parts. So I'm gonna be ordering a new smoke detector. It's gonna be, it looks addressable, but it won't be. It's gonna be a System Sensor 2151. Which it looks like an SD355 or whatever model for the other companies like Firelight, System Sensor, Notifier, Firelight, Silent Night, and I think Hochiki also made them, but I don't think they did. I know Honeywell did as well. Yeah, so we're going to, oh yeah, just so you know, it is plugged into 120 volt, and then it converts to 24 volts, and pull it through that. So if you do hear a little fan in the system test, it's because there is a fan in this and there's an indicator light. So we're going to double check to make sure it's silent, and it is. So the T-bar, I'm going to have to move this way a little bit because it's a little too close to the electrical panel. And also, I probably won't fit other pole stations like BG12s or BG10s and larger pole stations like that. So. Oh, weird. I think Oh, yep. I forgot to turn this back to normal, so let's try this again. There it goes. But this is on 110 Candela, so I don't think you can hear that very well, but it is making that weird clicking noise. It is very typical for these. By the way, I might be swapping this out with a different electrical box with one that doesn't have holes in it, because there's a hole in the side there. So I might be swapping it out because I might be getting more conduit, and I will be spray painting these red. So we're going to go ahead and reset this. And yeah, that's the video. This is going to be the main setup until I get an actual panel, which is not going to be for a little while yet. So stay tuned for that. So, yeah. That's it. So, stay tuned for my system test video coming out. I think it's going to be system test 3 or 4. I don't remember. I'll have to look through that. So, yeah, and also, I will take fire alarm requests. So, I'm going to try to make a link to a video, to put it in my video, in this video later on. I'm not doing it right now, but that's so you can do any fire alarm requests. So, the only alarms I have is my 2 Commander 3s, the blue one and the regular one, the Simplex 2003 9001 with a 93 on it, the AS, my 2 BG12s, the MT, 2 PC2Rs, the L Series, the Federal Signal 450-001T, of course the TR, if I didn't mention that already, the SR, UMHU, Genesis, MIZ Classic, and the Exceeder. So you can click any of those, you can pick any of those, and I might actually get a couple new devices as well, like a little frequency center or something. So, and you can also pick the spots. So one spot will be my room, next spot, the 2 spots will be for the hallway, one for the bathroom, which obviously only have 1 strobe, so I can't do that. So I might have a spot in the back hall there. I might also do one in this room, and maybe one in the back here as well. So, but the smoke detector spot, on the other hand, that will not be changing. So, yeah, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also, have an awesome day, and check out other content. And thank you guys so much for watching, and also have an awesome night.